We've got a 1992 Chevy Camaro steering wheel that's been completely redone with the exception of painting the spokes. You didn't want to do that. But we've stripped all the old leather off and the padding that's underneath it. This padding always breaks down really bad. So we took the old padding off also, cleaned up the steering wheel real well, including the spokes. That's how bad they were. And then put new padding back onto it, new leather, and stitched it up with that hand stitch baseball stitching there. It looks so good. And back to factory original. And then also this customer wanted us to recover the horn pad. So we did that as well and embossed the horn logo back onto it. Anyway, this Camaro looks amazing and this steering wheel is going to dress up his interior completely. Give us a call at Craft Customs for anything regard to any steering wheel, any make, year, or model in the world, and we look forward to working with you. As always, you're going to love what you get at Craft Customs. We guarantee it.